Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post on Quora. So for this, you just open the Quora application. So from this you will see this is the interface of Quora account, and you will just click to the post button and the top right you will see. So from here you will just write the caption, and you can also add a picture, enable access photo, so you can allow Quora to access photos and media on your device. So from here you will just have to choose randomly, and you will just add the caption about this picture which you have uploaded. So just write the simple caption and just click to the post button on the top right corner, so it will be post easily on Quora. So you will just click to the post and it will be posted on Quora. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.